In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Canva design to Google Drive. Whether you're creating stunning graphics for presentations or simply storing your designs for later use, the process is straightforward and convenient. So, let's jump right into it. We begin our journey on the Canva homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials. Logging in will take you straight to your dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, you'll notice a button labeled Create a Design. This button is typically located near the top right corner of your screen, easy to spot. Clicking on it will present you with an array of design options. For our example, we'll go ahead and select Logo, although you can choose any template that aligns with your project needs. After choosing your logo template, you'll find yourself browsing through Canva's extensive library of pre-made templates, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can start designing from scratch. Once you've found the design that resonates with your vision, dive into the customization process. This is where the fun begins. You can infuse your own style into the design by adding your colors, tweaking the fonts, and adjusting any elements until everything aligns perfectly. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to save it. Look for the Share button. It should be comfortably seated on the top menu bar. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the option labeled Download. Selecting this will prompt you to choose the file type for your design. For general purposes, PNG is a robust choice due to its balance of quality and file size. However, don't hesitate to pick whatever format best suits your specific needs. Click Download again to set the download process in motion. In just a short moment, your design will be saved onto your device, nestled safely in your Downloads folder or wherever your downloads typically go. Next up, we're going to upload this design to Google Drive, ensuring it's accessible wherever you go. Open Google Drive by entering the URL into your browser or by clicking it directly if you've previously bookmarked it. Once you're on your Google Drive's main page, your focus should shift to the New button, which is conveniently located on the left sidebar of your screen. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will reveal itself. From this menu, go ahead and select File Upload. This action will trigger a File Explorer window to pop up, allowing you to navigate through your device's storage. Locate the Canva file you just downloaded, select it, and click Open to commence the upload. You'll notice an Upload Progress bar appear at the bottom right of your screen, and once it's completed, your design will officially be stored in Google Drive, ready to be shared or accessed anytime you need. And there you have it. A seamless way to upload Canva designs straight to Google Drive, ensuring they're securely stored and available on any device. This method simplifies your workflow, letting you focus more on creativity and less on logistics. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.